Now, the political war over deluge in Delhi there just about begins. After the capital witnessed massive waterlogging, road cave-ins and houses being washed away, the ruling AAP and opposition BJP there are now trading charges. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal pinned the blame on COVID pandemic and virtually admitted that the capital is not ready right now because all their resources are being pressed to action to fight COVID-19. The Chief Minister retweeted, in fact he tweeted and said that Delhi government and the civic bodies were busy fighting the pandemic, but the opposition BJP accused Kejriwal of failing the capital. Several makeshift houses in the ITO area were washed away due to the caving in of the road after early morning rains that took place. Body of a driver was also recovered from flooded Minto area, which is near Delhi's Connaught Place. The Minto Bridge area where the body was recovered is near the New Delhi railway station, and saw also a bus submerged in the vicinity. Traffic jams, waterlogging were reported, and that was the sight across many areas in the national capital.
जो डेथ हुई है वो तो बहुत दुखद है और उसकी ना कोई भरपाई हो सकती है ना उसका कोई एक्सक्यूज हो सकता है, लेकिन जहाँ तक पानी भरने की बात है, पानी हर साल बारिश होती है और सारी एजेंसियां पीडब्ल्यूडी, दिल्ली नगर निगम, फ्लड डिपार्टमेंट, हमारा जल बोर्ड, सारे मिलके पूरा प्लान बनाते हैं, फ्लड प्लान बनाते हैं, उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया जा रहा है। ये ज़रूर है कि इस बार कोरोना के चलते, लॉकडाउन के चलते और हमारी बहुत सारी एजेंसियों का कुछ हिस्सा कोरोना मैनेजमेंट में भी लगा हुआ था, तो उस वजह से कुछ चीज़ें हो सकता है छूटी हों।
This is what Delhi government has done since last 6 years. In their promise to make Delhi like London and Paris, this is what they've made. And this is so unfortunate that every time you question them, they end up putting the blame on MCD or central government. What is their responsibility? What is the responsibility of CM? Just to come and do our shoots or do the press conferences? He has taken no responsibility for anything in last 6 years.
A body has been recovered from the underbridge at the Minto Road. The body is claimed to be the auto driver who was stuck here, and the body particularly was drowned into the water for about 1 to 2 hours. No authorities reached out to him. I personally contacted the authorities, the police personals, to get the process done, but now the body has been brought to the upper surface and the authorities have now reached out. But this raises some serious questions over the NDMC, that even in the moderate rain, such is the situation in the national capital Delhi, and it also raises question to the agencies that what preparations they have done till now for the monsoon. With camera person Pawan Kumar, Nikhil Lakhwani for India Today.